Dear honorable openers of this summit, Dr. Bruchin, Dr. Anklam, and Dr. Girardin, dear speakers and chairpersons, dear nanomedicine community from 31 countries, dear Professor Lehn, who will open our summit after that you did this at the first summit, which we had many years ago, 10 years ago to be exact, and we are very happy that you do this also today. Welcome to 10 years of CLINAM. We want to celebrate this, and we do. However, those who have been already here in Basel at CLINAM knows that we love to celebrate. For us, celebrating is a mix of excellent science, debate, and seeking for cooperation between all those related to nanomedicine and targeted medicine. We go one of the first things also for the debate between young stakeholders in nanomedicine and the pioneers who accept to be in Basel every year. We have so many of them. We go for the interdisciplinary discussion to further the field, tackle the hurdles, and seek for solutions. Now, celebrating means also that we can host 435 people who almost totally stop for 3 days to do telephone conferences, virtual sessions, and do hardly read their emails. And they exchange this for the virtue of a live debate, of a live meeting, of live presenting, of live sitting together. However, you know that reading emails has already tradition that so many people do simply not read them. This is because you cannot make the difference anymore between what is spam and what is real information. So when you organize a conference like CLINAM does, there is a good recipe for that. You write urgent. And if that is not enough, you write most urgent. And if that is not derived, then you say, immediately read it. And if that doesn't work, you call them and say, hey, you have gotten a mail from me yesterday at 7:30, and it's urgent CLINAM. Open it. And then your speaker will open it and say, I'm an invited speaker. That is the way that we organize our conference. Celebrating means also that we are for 3 days here, face-to-face, communication creating, rather old-fashioned communication. It's out to be sitting together and to feel and smell each other. It's terrible. It would be better by telematic or other means. So we are creating here friendship and personal interaction, emotions, intuition, and talking together. Talking together is probably, in the world, the primordial need of all humans. We all love to tell about life, about our adventures, about our failures, about our successes, and we want to listen to the story that others bring to us, and it's the best when we just get it sitting together. This is the ground where we think that experts take 3 days to exchange science in best class, discuss how to further mutual trust, cooperation, ending in the benefit of the patient by developing, by making maybe things simpler in a very complex world and a very complex discipline. We celebrate that many of our projects were luckily timely. We have created in the last 10 years the European Society for Nanomedicine, the International Society for Nanomedicine, which just had its first summer school and will have the second in Barcelona in September, the European Journal of Nanomedicine, the CLINAM Clinical Research Lab of Patrick Hunziker, the Hunziker Lab, the annual European and Global Summit for Nanomedicine, and a global network with more than 4,000 people. 2,500 people of these have been in Basel in the last 10 years. Among these people, we lost in the last 5 months 2 extraordinary men who have done for CLINAM tremendously much. And many of you know them. It is Dr. Piet Leclore, who was a great mentor for us. And it was Professor Fritz Bühler, who died on 5th of April, who was one of the persons to be the first on the board of the European Society for Nanomedicine, which we created also 2007. We will remember them gratefully. I would at this point like to ask, to thank at this point, on behalf of CLINAM, all our sponsors. This is the summit under the auspices of the Swiss Confederation, and without your support of the State Secretariat for Education, Research and Innovation, the realization of this summit in this quality would never have been possible. Let Patrick Hunziker and me celebrate finally you who come to CLINAM, you all. Because at our 10th summit, we can say, if no one would come, we would have no conference. And the speakers and the presenters accept to come. This is for us unique. It's the best gift that you do to this non-for-profit organization, that you share your skills and your expertise with us. Let's listen to each other today and tomorrow and after tomorrow and explore the creative space which might be behind the talks of this summit. We wish you a great meeting. I would now like to ask Dr. Elke Anklam to be here on behalf of the European Union.
Good morning, everybody. Dear